Hello dear aspirants. In this video, we are going to learn a few more problems on the remainder concept. So let me start with the problem. So let me give again an example for a remainder concept. In the previous video, I've given the idea of this concept. Let me again recall in this video also. So find the remainder of 5 power 100 by 7. So 5 power 100. So how do you write it? It is 5 square power what 50 divided by 7. So you can write as what? It is 5 power 2 means 25. 25 can be written as it's going to be 21 plus 4 power 50 by 7. So 21 is what? Multiple of 7. You can leave that. So you can take what? 4 power 50 by 7. 4 power 50 means it is nothing but 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2 square for power 50 means it is going to be 2 power 100 by 7. 2 power 100 can be written as 2 power 99 because I want to write like what? 7 plus or 7 minutes for that purpose. So 2 power 99 into 2. This 2 power 100 I am splitting 2 power 99 into 2 divided by what? 7. So this 2 power 99 means it is 2 power 3 power 33. So 33 into 3 is going to be 99 into what? 2 divided by 7. So it is 2 power 3 means 8. 8 can be written as 7 plus 1 power 33 into 2 divided by 7. Okay. So it is going to be what here? 7 multiples of 7, leave it. You can have 1 power 33 into 2 divided by 7. That means it is what? 2 by 7. When you divide 2 by 7, remainder is going to be 2 for it. So for this problem, remainder is 2. So that's how we apply the polynomial theorem concept. This is the concept. Okay. Now we will try to solve some of the problem based on this concept. Okay. Look at the question. X is the remainder when 3 power 61284 is divided by 5. Okay, that means what? 3 power 61284 when they divide by 5. Now remainder is X. Y is the remainder when 4 power 96 is divided by 6. Okay. So in this case, Y is the remainder. Now, what is the value of this 2x minus y? That's what we wanted to find. So first, let us find, if you want to find this answer, you should know what is x and y. The reminders, they said they are reminders. We'll try to find the reminders. So 3 power 61284. So we have to divide by what? 5. So what shall we do is 61284. I think it is multiple of 4. So we can divide by 4. What is that we are getting? Let's see. So if we divide by 4, it is 1 time 2 means 5 times. Then 12 means 3 times, 2 times 1. Okay. So this one can be written as, that is 3 power 61428 can be written as 3 power 4 power 15321. 3 power 4 means 3 square into 3 square is 81. So it can be written as what? 81. 81, it is 80 plus 1 power 15321 divided by what? 5. Now 80 is a multiple of 5. You can leave it. It is nothing but 1 power 15321 divided by what? 5. So remainder is going to be what? This case remainder 1. That means your x is what now? 1. We have found x value is 1. Now let's take this 4 power 96 by 6. We want to find the remainder. So 4 power 96 means it is 4 means it is 2 power 2. So 96 means it is going to be 96. It is 2 power 2 power 96 divided by 6, which means I am going to simplify this. It is 2 power 192. 2 into 96, 192 divided by 6 means this you can write, see, 2 power 191 into 2 divided by 6. What is that? One time it get cancelled. Okay, so it's become 3 now. Divisor going to become 3. So it's going to be 2 power 191. That 2 can be written as what? This 2 can be written as, it is 3 minus 1 power 191 divided by 3. Okay. Now this is going to be uh, minus 1 power 191 divided by what? 3. So minus 1 power 191 means it's going to be what? Minus 1. So it is minus 1 by 3, which means here the divisor has become 3, but the original divisor is what? 6. You try to make here 6, so you have to multiply by 2. Here also you have to multiply by 2. So it's becoming what? Minus 2 by 6. Minus 2 by minus comes means how you find reminders cannot be negative. Okay, when you divide by a number by 6 means remainder either can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how the remainder is going to be. Remainder cannot be negative. So minus 2 by 6 means just to remove that 2 from the divisor. Therefore, remainder is going to be 4. So minus 2 means remove the 2 from the divisor. So whatever the answer, that is going to be the divisor. Sorry, remainder. This is going to be the remainder. 4 is the remainder for this problem. For this expression. So remainder is 4. Therefore, y is going to be what? 4. So we have found y value. Now try to substitute in this expression. X is now 1, y is 4. So 2 minus 4 is going to be what? Minus 2. Minus 2 is the answer for this. Okay. Okay. Hope you have understood. Let's move on to the next problem. If each of the two numbers 5 power 16 and 5 power 25 are divided by 6, the remainder are R1, R2. What is the value of this? Okay. So what they are doing here? 5 power 16 they are dividing by 6. And also 5 power 25 they are dividing by 6. So here the remainder is going to be R1. Here the remainder is going to be R2. So now we wanted to find R1 plus R2 by. Okay, let's find R1, R2. So 5 power 16 means we can write 6 minus 5 can be written as what? 6 minus 1 power 16 divided by what? 6, which means we can remove that multiple of 6. It's going to be minus 1 power 16 by 6, which means 1 by 6. 1 by 6 means remainder is going to be what? 1. So your R1 is what? 1. The same way, we'll try to find the remainder R2. So this 5 power 25 can be written as 6 minus 1 power 25. 5 can be written as 6 minus 1 divided by what? 6. So you can remove the multiples of 6. It's going to be what? Then minus 1 power 25 by 6. Minus 1 means it is minus 1 by 6. So I said whenever minus comes here, you have to remove that from the denominator. So it's going to be what? Remainder is going to be 5 here. 6 minus 1 is going to be 5. So your R2 is going to be what now? 5. Now what is this expression? R1 plus R2. R1 value is what? 1 plus R2 value is 5 divided by 5. R2 value is 5. So it is going to be 6 by 5. 6 by 5 is the answer. Option D is the answer for this. Okay. So hope we have understood these answers. Now let me give one question for you to work out. Kindly go through this question. Try to answer this question. Okay. If you wish, we can give your answer as comment. Thank you.